I have alerts on my phone that I have now for a little over 4 months. Like I thank someone every day. I say a few influential, positive affirmations to myself. Just light things that the way I hug somebody, or just all these little things. And for me, it's really beneficial. The food is it, because you kind of dismiss that it is food. It might be prayer, right? How much have you tried that? Versus the pulse session. Just I don't know.
Yeah. And also the research also says that every day you should try to think of something positive and talk about positive things with your partner, your friends. At least one positive thing. Not like whole conversation is negative. Something like, I got this nice email. Or in the Buddhist teaching, we say we should rejoice other people's happiness. So when you see, sometimes we're stuck in the traffic and then other people are going zoom in the express lane.
And then we get mad.
And then we get like, oh, why are they going fast? Instead of that, we should rejoice and say, I'm so happy for you. That you can go in the carpool, instead of thinking like, why can't I do that, So I think what you're doing is excellent. Excellent. It really helps, it really helps.
I have a really hard time with that.
We should try that.
Yeah. I should try that.
Yeah.
Do you just fake it till you make it?
Yeah.
And just say it even though you don't mean it?
Yeah, you just
like,
said my
good
thing.
for them.
Yeah.
Is it faking it though? If you're saying it, is it faking it?
I don't know. That's what I'm wondering. If you're not feeling it on the inside, but you force the words out of your mouth.
Yeah. Sometimes when you rejoice, it's a little bit of fake in the beginning. I rejoice you, but I feel.
It's like the fake
jealous.
laughter.
It's like the forced laughter.
Right.
So how are you doing? I'm good. How are you? I'm good too. I mean, it's like
Yeah.
energy. It's like we're all faking it in a way.
Yeah.
I mean, that's how I feel.
Oh yeah. I totally feel that.
Everyone's pretending to be.
Yeah.
It's the masks. We're all wearing our masks.
Or happy birthday.
Yeah, birthdays are funny.
Every moment's the birthday.
Happy anniversary. So many things.
Happy Mother's Day.
Sorry, I mean. Every day, right?
Right.
Yeah,
But basically, we get stuck in negative habits, negative thoughts. Getting out of that negative habit is much harder than changing from positive habit to negative. Like that, right? From changing from positive to negative is like that.